Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1 to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add stocks or index on your MetaTrader 5 watch list. First of all, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, go onto your MetaTrader 5 app, and as the app opens up, you'll be on the quote screen. Here you can see a plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. If you go into the plus, you can see an option for forex, metals or indexes. Now if you go into index, you can see all of these options, and if you just click on any one of the options of your choice, now that option will be added to your quotes and it is added to your watch list. And here you can see it has been added to my watch list. Now you are able to see its value depreciating or appreciating on real time. This was for this video, and that's how you can add stocks and index on your MetaTrader 5 watch list. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for your review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.